Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
If you know you are doing well, I'm going to say, I'm going to say, breaky. I'm going to say, I just came to Bible Thursday. Up to the dance, that's what I do. Up to the dance, that's what I do. Up to the dance, Papa. Up to the dance, Lemon.
Okay, freaky. Hi, how are you doing, guys? Hello guys, how are you? I've got an information for you, but first let me ask you this question. Have you gotten your PVC? No. What are you waiting for? Come on, get up. Yes, I've got an info and update for you about the Youth Vote Can't mega concerts. Yes, that was being organized by the Nigerian celebrity. We have the likes of Mr. Macaroni, Mr. Oi, we have Brashagi, we have Toya Abraham, Kiss Daniel was there, Pasuma 2 was there, live and direct, Skippy 2 was there. All of this, they were just to treat the audience, just to treat Nigerian youth, about the importance of you getting your PVC. Do you get that? So please guys, if you are up to 18 years, I beg, what do they do for us? Oh yeah, come on, carry the go and get your PVC, because come 2023 I'm gonna take her. You know that, you know what I'm talking about. I'm gonna take her. So we want our votes to count. So guys, enough of our vote does not count. No, it counts. So please go and get your PVC.